Catherine, New Jersey investigators spent the night at the scene of a deadly race crash that claimed the life of a NASCAR driver. Chopper 6 HD was over the Bridgeport Speedway in Swedesboro, Gloucester County last night. 37-year-old Jason Leffler was killed in a dirt car crash. NASCAR released a statement overnight saying in part, "For more than a decade, Jason was a fierce competitor in our sport, and he will be missed." Leffler leaves behind a young son. He was a two-time winner of the Nationwide Series and had just made his first NASCAR start for the season this past Sunday at the Pocono Raceway. 6:36 now, and AccuWeather